Hey everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. We are calling all tea lovers. Today, we're bringing you something special, Rajwadi Chai. This isn't just tea, it's a symphony of spices and warmth that'll transport you with every sip. Let's get brewing. So, grab your ingredients, and let's start creating these irresistible treats. Did you know you can scale the recipes on our website to the number of servings you like? You can also view the video and print out the scaled recipes. Here you can scale the recipes to your desired servings. This recipe will make 2 cups of chai. Let us proceed to the recipe.
Take a cup of water in a pan. Add 4 black peppercorns, 4 cardamom pods, 4 cloves, half an inch of cinnamon stick and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Crush the spices and add to boiling water. Add grated ginger, about half an inch thick. Boil the mixture for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes of boiling, add 2 teaspoons or 2 tea bags of tea leaves. Let boil for 1 minute. Add 2 cups of milk and bring to a boil. Stir occasionally. Put aside. Caramelize 6 teaspoons of sugar in a pan on medium heat.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Pressing the bell icon ensures you are kept up to date on all new videos.
Put the tea back on the stove and add the caramelized sugar to the tea. Simmer on low heat and mix the caramelized sugar. Let simmer for about 2 minutes. Add a pinch of saffron. Mix well. Enjoy with friends and family.